Oh my god, your birds are so cute. What are their names? Potato. Why does it matter what their names are? Does it bite? I don't know. Why don't you test it out? Do they ever like run away or like fly away or something?
Really sad. That's good.
Only from security. Yeah, I know, totally. Hold on. What breed is that bird? This is a African parakeet. You guys!
Boring.
Shut up! Sure. Here.
Hold the lighting. Hold the lighting. I'm doing it. Did you?
No, she just started it.
Wait. Did you stop it, like thinking that you were starting it?
No. I just did it right now.
Get it off. 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 It doesn't bite. First of all, you asked to hold the bird. I feel like there's ramen in my hair. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little different than what I would normally do, but I'm trying out some different types of content. And as you saw in the disclaimer of the front of the video, please don't take any of these serious at all. It was just a joke, like a funny skit. Don't take it seriously. It wasn't meant to offend anyone, and I'm sorry if it did. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure to turn on the post notification bell. And I will see you guys on another episode of Ariel's Adventures. Bye!